Hello, my name is Mina. This is another lesson about simple future tense. I want to tell you that you can use present continuous to talk about future. There are full lessons about present continuous tense on my channel. You can watch them to make sure you understand present continuous in the first place. Previously, I've told you to use present continuous for actions happening now or at the time of speaking. We can use present continuous to talk about future agreements, arrangements, or plans. Like these examples. I'm having dinner with my brother at 10. She's meeting her boss tomorrow morning. They're getting married next month. Also, present continuous is used with verbs related to travel arrangements, like leave, come, arrive. Look at the examples. I'm leaving on Saturday. We're arriving in London at 11. I hope this lesson was helpful and clear enough. Let me know how well you got this lesson in comments. Stay tuned for more videos. Bye!